In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with day trading. Day trading can be an exhilarating and potentially lucrative endeavor, but it also comes with its fair share of risks and challenges. Before diving in, it's essential to approach this venture with a clear strategy and the right tools. Let's walk through these fundamental steps to set you on your path to successful day trading. The first thing you'll need to do is choose an online broker, often referred to as a discount brokerage. This platform will be your main hub for executing trades, so take the time to pick one that aligns with your priorities. Consider transaction fees, the platform's user interface, the quality of customer support, and the availability of various financial instruments. Remember, a broker that works for one person may not be the best choice for another, so evaluate your specific needs and preferences. Once you've selected a broker, the next step is to open an account with them. This process is typically straightforward, requiring you to provide personal information and funding details. Make sure to thoroughly read the terms and conditions as well as any fees associated with trades and account maintenance. This step lays the foundation for your day trading journey, so ensure everything is in order before proceeding. As with any investment strategy, it's crucial to educate yourself, and this certainly applies to day trading. Delve into the different trading strategies available. Some popular approaches include scalping, momentum trading, and swing trading, each with its own set of methods and risk levels. Familiarize yourself with these strategies to determine which aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Books, online courses, and trading forums can all be valuable resources to deepen your understanding. To make informed trading decisions, it's essential to stay current by following the news and collecting data relevant to the market. Economic indicators, corporate earnings reports, and geopolitical events can all have significant impacts on financial markets. Use this information to guide your trading strategy, allowing you to anticipate market movements and better manage your trades. By keeping a finger on the pulse of the financial world, you position yourself to capitalize on opportunities and mitigate risks. Finally, curate a list of securities to track. Focus on those that are highly liquid, which are often stocks of larger companies, as they typically offer more trading opportunities. Keeping a watch list helps you stay organized and enables you to monitor market movements closely. As you gain experience, you can refine this list to suit your trading style, focusing on those securities that best align with your strategies. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up with a solid foundation for day trading. It's a challenging journey that requires diligence and discipline, but with the right preparation and mindset, it can be incredibly rewarding. Happy trading!